recording. Okay, now good. So we have the two pedals here. We require one line over here. So I'm writing line. This is the line I required here. Change the direction to 180 degrees again. 181, not 181, right? 180 degree. Okay, this is in 180 degree. Okay, place this at this place, and I'm also going to change the color of this one. I want to change the color to the black one. Okay, change the color. Now this is a black in color, and duplicate this one again. Place at this side. Okay. Oh, let me place this little bit. Now this is perfect. This is perfect. Place the ball at the top. Now ball is placed at the top. This is the coding. We have the two pedals here. Now for coding, let's write the code for line first. This is the code for line. When the ball touches the red black lines, it should say game over. Okay, for this, bring when starts from the event. Okay, then control, then spring forever. Okay, good. So I bring the when green flag clicked one, then one forever block here. After that, we required a sensing for. For sensing, I am bringing the if block. If if the ball touches the black color here, the black color, it should say game over. For this, I am clicking on sensing. Then bring this one. When the black line touches the ball when the black line touches the ball, it should stop everything here. Stop all. Again, for game over part, click when green flag clicked here. Again, forever one. Again, sensing part. When it touches the uh, ball, it should say game over. First one, then ball. It should say game over. For this, click on looks and say not think, say game over. Game over. When ball touches the black line, it should say game over. Now let's copy the code. How you can copy the code? You can copy the code like I have made the code for line 1. This is line 2. For copying the code, click and drag to line 2 over line 2. It should copy the code. Again, click and drag to line 2. It should copy the code. Okay, now the code is copied here. Now game over code is copied. I have to copy this one also. Now the game code is copied for line 2. Okay, let's program the pedal. For programming the pedal, I want to control the pedal with my arrow key and WS key. WS key and the arrow key. Then click on events when a green flag click and then control forever block. Then bring this one if block, put it between. Again click on sensing. We have a key here. Key when key space pressed, what should do? When up arrow key pressed, the pedal should move in upward direction. When for moving upward direction, the value is in positive, so change y by 10. Change y by 10 when up arrow key is pressed. Again, duplicate this one. When down arrow key pressed, it should change the distance by negative 10. Negative 10. Now let's check it. Click on green flag. The this is now it is moving, but there is a problem. The pedal is moving outside the playing area. So for this, so prevent moving out of the pedal from the playing area, we should provide something. For this, I'm again copying this. Okay. Now, when again delete this one, sensing. When pedal touches the boundary, when the pedal touches the boundary, or delete this one. If on edge bounce, there is also an option for this. If on edge bounce, then this one. Again, click on green flag. Let's try it. Now it is not going backwards. outside the game, right? It is not going outside the game. Okay, now it is okay. Now again, we have to copy the whole stuff for the pedal number two. So click and drag it over pedal two. It should copy. Click and drag it to the pedal two. It should copy. Click and drag to pedal two. It should copy. Now the pedal two have change up. The up arrow is there, but their down arrow key. Now down arrow is here. Now the bounce one. Now the bounce is also here. No, 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 no. We have we have accidentally makes lots of copies here. Okay, let me delete. Let me delete here. Okay. Now there is a code here. Let me check the line also. It is copied for line also. Okay, it is not copied for line. Okay, that is good. So for I want to control paddle two. This is the paddle one. Let it control with the W key. Where is W? The W key for up direction and for down. Let's press S. We control it with S. Where is S? Z is here. S. Okay, S. I got it. Now we can control both of them with the W key and S key. This is for this one, and this is for arrow key. Now we can control both the paddle with my arrow key. Okay. Let's code the ball. For coding the ball, we have to follow some steps. First, we have to apply a score. When the ball touches the paddle single time, the score should change to 1. When the ball touches the black line, the score should convert itself to 0 and say game over. For this, click on the ball first, click on events. When green flag clicked, we have to provide a direction for it. We have to provide a direction first. Let the ball here direction first provide its initial position. This is go to X and Y. This is the initial position. No, let make it at center. This is the initial position. Now this is the initial position I have provided. Now again we have to provide a direction in which direction the ball should move. The first direction there is an option available there. Point yeah, this one, point in direction, and the direction should be 60 degree. Okay, no, not 60 degree. The ball should do. Okay, okay. Let's try control forever block here. Then motion, move 10 steps, move 10 steps. Then if on edge, bounce. Let's check it. Click on green flag. Okay. Again, click on green flag. Okay, click on green flag. Okay, click on green flag. Okay. The ball is predictable now. We have to make it unpredictable. Predictable. So how we can make it unpredictable? We can make it unpredictable by changing its position to here and delete this one. Go to bring new one. Go to X. This one. Now click on green flag. Now the first one is predictable. Okay. Now I understand. The first one is predictable. So for this, the first one is predictable. Again, click on green flag. When green flag is clicked, now we have to make the bouncing back of the object. For this, bring the forever black block here. Then if block, if the ball touches the pedal, any pedal, when the ball touches any pedal, it should bounce. For bouncing part, click on sensing, click on touching this one, touching the pedal one. When the ball touches pedal one, then turn. We have to turn this. Turn here. We have to provide a random number, so it can take the random number to pick a random number from 170 degrees. I am trying only 170 means 170 means this 180 this direction. Okay, 170 and right here 190. Okay, 180 no, right here 200. It will take automatic number from 170 to 200. and it have to move also. Then move 15 steps for making the motion faster. Then click on control, wait, which we have to provide wait for the animation. I'm providing 0.5 second wait. Now let's see. When it touches the black line, the game is over. Now it is not saying the game over part. Game over. It should say game over. Oh, I accidentally write here stop all. Hmm. What I can do here, it is not saying the game over part. Okay, it at okay. Provide here. Now let's see the line to.
What about changing the backdrop to a backdrop that says game over?
Yes, we can change this that also. Wait, let me check first. Okay, it's saying game over after 2 seconds. It stop. Let's write 0.5 here. Game over and everything is stopped here. Okay, let's change the backdrop. Let's change the backdrop. For this, I have to bring one backdrop here. For making backdrop, let me open Paint. Then let's where is text option here? This one. Right here, game game over. I want to change the font real black over. Change it to this one. Okay, center of it, screen. Change the color of the screen also. For this, I'm taking the red color option. No, it is bad. Change the gray one. Okay, everything looks perfect, I guess. Okay, now it is good. Click on File, Save As, and saving it to downloads. Now file is downloaded. Then upload a backdrop. Choose it from downloads. United. Now backdrop is here. Now backdrop is here. Now we have to provide one initial backdrop. For initial backdrop, I am choosing the blue sky. Okay, now we have two backdrops here. Okay, this is the initial backdrop and this is the wait. Okay, this is the initial backdrop. Now, when the green flag is clicked, when green flag is clicked, we have to change the backdrop. Then looks switch cartoon switch backdrop to United. No, not United. The blue sky too. When I click on green flag, the backdrop changes to United Sky, and when it said game over, then change the backdrop, switch backdrop to United Sky, and stop everything. Control, stop all, and let's delete this one. Delete this one, delete here, delete this one also, delete here also. Click on looks, switch backdrop to United, then control, stop everything here. Let's check it. Okay, that is good. That is good. Very good idea, Ram. Okay, we have to make the bounce one. When it touches the pedal, it should bounce. I'm duplicating this one again. This is pedal one. Now the select a pedal two here. Now let's check it. When I click on green flag, it is bouncing. Okay, it is working. It is working. Now we have to add a score. For score, we have to create a variable. Create a variable. Make a new variable score. I have made a variable of score. Now the score is here. I am providing the score at this position. Okay. Now the score is here. Now if it touches the pedal, it should change the score. So change the score by one. When it touches the pedal, change the score by one. Again, when it touches the second pedal, it will also change the score by one. Change the score by one. Change the score by one. Okay. Now when it touches any green line, when it touches any black line, the score should change, converted to zero. No, not score. When we click on green flag for the ball, the score should convert it to zero. Set variable to zero. Set my variable means the score to zero. Let's start the game. Okay, the variable is working right, and when it touches this one, game over. When I click on green flag, it is converted to zero. You understand the whole process, right, Aram?
Yes.
Now let's take in the middle one, or we can let it in here, middle one. Now this is the whole project. We can play it here now. WS and the arrow key. This is very hard. Okay, let me try once again. Okay, controlling with two pedals is hard.